This is a CNBC TV18 exclusive. Veteran banker Uday Kotak warning that the rupee's depreciation does pose a big challenge for corporate India, even as it works to get its animal spirits back. In an exclusive chat with CNBC TV18's Ritu Singh on the sidelines of the USIBC India Ideas Summit, Kotak also said that policymakers need to pay more attention to ensure that the recovering growth engines don't fizzle out. That is a warning there from Kotak. He also added he expects a 50 basis point rate hike by March of 2019. Listen in.
I'm seeing a significant growth in micro demand. And Indian business and industry is feeling good after a long time. Therefore, on the ground, we are seeing a pickup across different sectors. I hope and believe that this sustains. And the key to sustainability of our growth is now much more macro factors which can impact us. And recently I was talking to a few businesses. They're all beginning to add jobs as well. I know for a fact we at the bank are going to add about more than 10% to our jobs this year.
That's very good to hear, but are corporates also looking at greenfield projects? Is credit demand, do you think,
investment demand is beginning to start? And it is here that we have to be able to modulate the macro challenges. Therefore, the challenges which can come are coming out of interest rates and the rupee. Therefore, just as Indian corporate sector is beginning to get some of its animal spirits back, we need to have a macro which is more stable, and this is where policymakers' role will be critical.
Since you mentioned policymakers, my last question to you, with the rupee rising, with the crude oil prices rising, do you think we're set for a third consecutive quarter of rate hike from the Reserve Bank of India?
It's always difficult to venture, but I do believe between now and March 2019, we would see a 50 basis points further rate hike in this period.